BananaLlama here from BunnyBlocks, and today I'm going to be attempting to make clay polar bear plant pots. So let's see how this goes. I got the idea from the Hobbycraft website and I'm going to be attempting to make them look like polar bears. Fingers crossed this works. Let's do this. So now we are rolling out our clay. I'm using air dry clay and we need to make it quite a big piece so we can fit 2 of the bear templates that I printed off from the Hobbycraft website on it, and we cut them out, and just so it's the right shape I printed off the template. The link to the instructions on the Hobbycraft website will be in the description. So we have just scored the bottom of the bear template and around the base with a knife to make sure that they stick, and we've added some water as well, and now is the hardest bit. We're going to try and make the base and the template attach together. I hated this bit. It took so much trial and error, but it was definitely worth it because this is the first pot and I was very happy with it. And just as a side note, I am not a crafty person. I never use clay. I never do any of this kind of thing. So I was actually very happy with the result at the end. So now we're just rolling out for the second bear template. And yeah, let's see how this goes. So after a lot of trying and failing, but also winning, I have got 3 clay bear pots ready to dry, so they're ready to paint 24 hours later. And now it is time for my favourite bit, the painting. This was actually a lot harder than I thought. I failed a lot, like sometimes the eyes were too big, or I just made a mess with it, or something went wrong, and the camera angle is not that great for this bit, and I'm sorry about that. But I'm really happy with the polar bears in the end. It was a lot of work, I have to say. I'm not a crafty person. So now the first one is complete. I absolutely love it. I think it is so cute. So let's move on to the second clay polar bear. But you could really not see what I was doing. You could just see my hands, and also my hair was inshot a bit, which is quite gross, but I was actually really happy with this one, and this is my favourite polar bear pot so far. And now for the third one. Let's hope this one turns out well as well. And so now the third and final clay polar bear pot is painted. And next we're going to add a finisher. You could use Mod Podge or Deco Patch glue. We're just going to apply it all over the clay. And then when that is all dry, finally they are complete. There was a lot of waiting and a lot of waiting for things to dry, like the air clay, the paint and the Deco Patch glue. It was a lot of waiting. But I absolutely love the result, and obviously you're meant to put plants in there, so if you have like a tiny little cactus or a tiny little succulent or something, you could put it in there. I think that would look amazing. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!